So we're back for development, API building. So let's change the way like our simple database is initialized, okay? So we for now, we are using this class startup to define the initialization for the things. On the configure services method, I will and this option for my service. I need you create the add singleton form to using a resource, and this resource is our simple database object. Okay, class simple database control dot. Using this is important to complete the comment from this configuration, the setup. Make this our class is using only once time, and that we need. Okay, I left F9 breakpoint to validating this, and backing for our controller, we have this simple database that we left in the things, all the things being when we completed the video. So it's another test. And try. Okay, so the value is low, right? Okay, so I'm creating this instantiated, and would you like let me other breakpoint the things instantiated only one time. So I play this. Oh, I remember other updating that we need to make is let me back. How our project is defined to startup define the form to initialize in the simple database class. I need to change the using this object from my controller. Okay, I change it for working this type. I'm having my private read only database, and I don't instantiate it right in this inside my controller, but I pass byte dependence injection the database, and I change for using the this word to reference from my object from my class, and I receive information from database based on my signature for constructor. Okay, so the application, the .NET define when I need to using this object is instantiated, initialized only one time, and I need injection from my controller this type. And for validated this, I left on the checkpoint this, and for my constructor for the class simple database. So let me execute it again. The play solution. Waiting the thing is loading, and repair. The simple database is called one time. A controller call this too. Okay, so let's verify validating the things from the post. So first everything I use the get, the send the request, I pass this, receive the value, but I don't have the other request for my simple database class. Okay, if I search for product 5, I receive this. If I change for return every my collection, I receive it every my products. And now let's test again my post request. Remember, I have in my body format JSON request. Okay, for register my product, new product, I click in the send and receive the 200. The product is inserted to my collection, and if I back for my get and validating this, let's testing again, and it's much funny. That's it. There, and collection inserted. And like in my smartphone, I have the IG7. If I change it to implement the get for search for the 7 ID, the same return this object, only this object. Okay, so the implementation for our controller for post method is working, writing, and the only thing that we need in making this is change the way my simple database is working. And defining this using the startup class to change the comportment for my simple database, and define the role is initializing this object instantiated this only once in time using the singleton format for my services. Okay, so that's it. Next video we are starting the organizing better the things structure the format for our application. So see you in the next video, and here we go.